great tool to visualize data in Excel. We can use it easily to analyze our data. In this example, we will see how to highlight duplicates and unique values in any given dataset. So let me explain this with example. Here on this sheet I have some data. This is numeric data. So now if I want to highlight duplicate values in this dataset, what I'll do, after selecting this data range, I'll go to conditional formatting and we can click on new rule. In this window we have a rule named as format only unique or duplicate values. Once we select this, at bottom we can see we have a drop down where we can select duplicate or unique. So we can select any of this option. So let me select duplicate and then I will select this format. Once I click on this format, I am getting another window where I can select any color. So let me select this light blue color and click on OK. Let me click on OK here. So we can see that in the selected range all the duplicate values are highlighted with light yellow color. So by using the same option in conditional formatting, we can highlight unique values as well. So let me select this range again. Click on conditional formatting. Click on new rule again. Selecting the rule named as format only unique or duplicate values. This time I will select unique option and then click on format. And let me select different color. So I'm selecting yellow color. Click on OK. Here also I'll click on OK. We can see all the unique values or the remaining values are highlighted with yellow color. So this is how we can utilize conditional formatting to quickly highlight duplicate and unique values in a range. We have simple option as well, or I would say different option. What we can do, let me select this range and click on clear rules. Clear rules from selected range. We can select the range and simply go to conditional formatting and then use this highlight cells rules where we have the option duplicate values. So this is also another way of highlighting duplicate values. If you have any question around this topic, you can let me know. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thank you.